Hey guys, welcome back to Ryan Billis Gaming. Today, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on the clock. Um, Basically, this is a really easy thing to do because it's once you get to know how to turn each clock, it's basically straightforward. So this is what I'm gonna be showing you first. I'm gonna be showing you how to move clocks. So when they're all in, all the pins right here, they come up and they come down. So whenever they're down, that means this side won't move. I mean, you can move the corners, but that won't do anything. Um, and then there's two sides and then since these are down, if they're all up, they'll all move. See? They'll all move in the same direction at the same time. So, that's basically it. If we push one pin up here, these four clocks right here will move. So, see? Basically, and then this will move these four clocks, but make sure you do this wheel on the, where the pin is. So, wherever the pin is closest to up, you always you always want to do the closest corner. So you would do this and see. But if you did this side, yeah, it wouldn't work. So you wanna have you just wanna have the closest one to do. Alright, and then it goes for each one. If you have two up, these six, will move. And then you'll do the closest one and see. It'll move all six, my bad. And then if they're all up, they'll move the same way. So I'm going to basically mix this up, and I'll see you once I mix it. And now we have mixed up the clock. You see how they're not the same anymore. Basically the solved solution for this is to get every pen to the 12. You see there's like a little thing that says 12 right here on all the clocks, so you just want to have them pointing straight up. So first what you want to do is you want to do a cross. So you'll do this cross. So you would choose a pen to match. See right here, these two are the same. So you first of all put all the pins down, and since these are the same, they're good. So you would push up this. So if you want to go right here, you push up this so you don't move these two, and then you would just move that to wherever the same. And I just realized that was the same too. Now, okay, so now they're all the same, but just, it will go for all. So, like, if you want to do, this one, you would most rather use one of these two. It doesn't really matter. Just don't care about the corners right now. If you want to use this one, use one of these two. And then, basically, always have one up. Always have the other three down. And now once you get them all the same, you want to point them all up. So what you want to do, all the pins towards the top. So let's just do that. So if you don't have it right, the pins might not come up, so you have to kind of force it. So, and you might see this clock. Basically, it's the only clock I found. I'm sure they're going to make more, but basically this is the clock everybody uses. now you have a cross where they're all the same, and it's very important whenever you it's very important to have them all facing up so they don't mess up, because you're gonna do on this side, you're gonna do the same thing, the cross. So let's see, we have these three that are the same and these two, so we'll just have this pointing up, and we will just move it all to where they're all the same, point them all up, and then move them up, and now you have, and you see how it didn't make anything, didn't mess up any crosses, so you have two crosses. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the corners, and the corners are pretty easy too. So what you would do is you would choose a corner, but you want to start out with all of them up. So if you want to do this corner, you would push this down so this doesn't move, and once you move this, see, these all except that one will move, and you just put them till we're the same, put it back up, and put down another one to match up to another one. And oh, I just mistakenly did that. Basically, you would do this, so you would, don't do the corner that you're using, don't do what I did. So, see how they're all, alright, now they're the same. So that's already solved, so we'll do this one, so put this back up, put this down, and then we'll do this, and then now, oh, I didn't realize that's still, okay. Alright, so I think that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. And then now you do this one, so put this back up and put that down, and then put that there, and you would put them all back up, and then you would all do this, and now they're all pointing up, and you see you also did this side too. So basically you can switch to the other side once you're done with the crosses, but it doesn't really matter. Just make sure when you're done with the first cross, just make sure the cross is all facing up. And then that's pretty straightforward. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if, just comment down below if I'll comment. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll answer them. So, alright, and that's how you solve the clock, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see ya.